Okay, it's no longer news that Enugu State is in the hands of Fulani. Fulani people have decided to take over the state, and the sitting governor are not doing anything about it. In fact, one of the slogan of Chika Ike, you know who is Chika Ike, right? And many other people that want to use that as a reason to attack US. One of the things they are using that is about Enugu State, what is going on in Enugu State. They told you that the Ogenkere is the right person to fight for you and everything. The same people are criticizing COS for not doing something about what's going on in Enugu State. I don't want to make this video about issue between Ogenkere and COS. Why I'm talking about it because many of them are using it now as the headline. Enugu State is bleeding. Enugu State is bleeding. And it was bleeding. Our land is in siege and whatever they call that. I don't understand. But the truth is that Fulani people are taking advantage of the activities of Ogenkere and their camp. Sona Barawa and Chemaka Jere, rest of them have actually gotten what they want. They want to see the land being threatened. For you to see them as your mini God to save you and protect you. Now, the attack on Enugu State does not start now. It has been there for a very long time. People understand that our land is what Fulani want so dearly. They want, I mean, if they see any to take Igbo land, they would have done it a long time ago. In fact, that is one of the reasons why MNK, Mazam Nakano started, we start with the ESN and started talking about protecting the Eastern region and all that. We still have governor then, okay? And we still have governor now. Those who are the governor of those states, I'm not talking about governor, USB governor, that some of you don't regard much, but the truth is that time will tell. Are you getting my point? Time will tell. Now, let me not just waste much of your time. I want you to pay attention to a series of videos, clips that we're gonna see here on this video. But before then, please like this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about what's going on in Enugu State. Do you have a better answer to that or your own take? Hit the comment section and drop it there. And for some of you, they confused about what Ogenkere is doing. Because I keep on receiving a lot of comments from Ndikwe and Ndekwe. But the truth of the matter is that whether you like it or not, our land is in danger. Some of you know that land is in danger, but you don't know why it is in danger. Two things are here. One is that Ogenkere and Sona Barawa and Chemaka Jere, the rest of them, they will never ever understand what is going on. They feel that what they're doing is the best way to do it. Like I said, time will tell. Some of you questioning CS and USB government, why are they not doing anything? Have you asked yourself what Ogenkere is doing as well? But this video, like I said, is not about them. But why I'm emphasizing on it is because I have watched many videos. In fact, one of them actually said on their platform that I don't talk about what's going on in Igbo land, in Biafra land, that I only focus on what is happening within Biafran government and Ogenkere camp. Because I know that once you solve that problem, this issue of why our land is being threatened and all that will be solved. You cannot have somebody to protect the land when people who are supposed to protect it are busy fighting one another. Now, when I talk about the fight, is for me to make sure that I bring the truth for you to know where the problem is coming from. Because you hear about the issue of caterpillar. It is because of this Enugu State issue. Now, people are being buyed in Enugu State. Let us be honest. If, let's say Caterpillar, for example, and maybe his friend or gang or group, anything at all, decide to go there and stop these Fulani people, will you feel that Caterpillar is a good man or a bad man? I'm just saying. Now, those who have brain will understand what I've just said. Let us continue. Enugu State Governor Peter Mba He's not doing anything, and he's not going to do anything. Let me not waste much of your time. Just watch this video.
This is happening live in issues of local government. I humble for parts. Upon issues of the issues that we are going hungry. They are sleeping with our women. After sleeping with them, they will use stick under their VG, which is very bad. And when you the government of Enugu State. Why not?
Rescue a harmful land. Rescue a harmful land. They are shouting and rolling where they go. Most of them are millionaires in their homes, in settlements, but they have been chased away. They have chased away. They left their homes. Their house have been burnt. They left their homes. Their husbands have been killed. Their sons have been killed. So many groups are coming.
So the video you just watched now is what people have been sharing, and you can see people complaining, lamenting about it, right? A lot of people have said, many things about it. A lot of clips are there on social media. I just decided to bring these few ones for you to see. These few ones for you to see. Now, it did not end there. Here another complaint, another protest rather. Watch it.
Because of any Fulani, I am not any Fulani. There's a Tita, Abunadi, Obodai, Obodo, Irina Sa, where you put the mother, Ebainwe, Abuno, Obono, wherever in Akogo, wherever I were Ulakuko, wherever I were Ulagu, Nimagu Bani, Ebaipi, last one in the candy, not a bear, all of his Sunday. On the plan, where be the wounded by again, Bekaina Guano, Nahane, Otumba, woman, the 20, Otumba, my body, Otumba, very Madara, Otumba, very Madara, what is her plan name? I know Tim Kukambe, now government of Enugu State, government of Nigeria, government of East local government, because in Iranyaka, Macaragua, I want to watch more in Iran. Only harmful Sabuna Haka Bunda Boda. See make a hammer and have Bunda Boda. Government to get handy. I want to have Bunda Boda because government to become get handy. We can knock down on that. I got no about Garubo. Unani kwafu wee lọta na-abịa nọ n'ebe mmadụ agụ a na-egbu ndị be anyị ụmụ okorobịa anyị egburu egbu dị ọkantebụl dere ndị nọ n'ụlọ mkpọrọ kịta bụ ọkantebụl ọ bụrụ na nwere ka nwa okorobịa ti megide dị ha mfụ etinye eje tinye na prizin biko nụ gọọmenti of Enugu steeti gọọmenti of Nigeria biko si nyere anyị aka na ihe amụfụzi biko anyị na ya biko si nyere anyị aka abịa akwa anyị na-akwara unu nyere unu obi nkịta anyị ebidogo ọtụtụ mmadụ bụ ndị nwụrụ na ọ bụrụ ndị Fulani gburu ya mara ndị Fulani gburu ya ihe Fulani ji gbu ndị abụrụ ha natara ego na gọọmenti dekọọ rice dere ndị Fulani gboro efi gbobere ugbo rice ha wee taa ya onye ahụ ji eche echiche ka ọ ga-esi egwu gọọmenti ụgwọ ka ọ natara bank onye ahụ nwụọ ọrụ onwe ya biko nụ n'elu na-enyi n'elu na ihe ọmụfụ n'elu na ndị
Now, upon all these protests and complaints from people from Ihamufu themselves, Peter Mba have something to say. His own reaction towards it is this video. Watch it.
We are here in solidarity with accusing some politicians in Enugu as responsible for all the criminal activities going on because of their selfishness.
That is from Peter Mba. What he said, his own reaction and his own take on what is going on in Ihamufu. People may say, okay, but at least he is a governor of the state. He should do this and do that. No, he is panicking because of his second tenure. And he's willing to do anything to make sure that he come back. I'm not against anybody that coming back, we don't come back. It's a matter of time. Biafrans and Igbo people have the final say, not me. Now, people singing that, he's singing his name from Ihamufu, in case if you don't know, the same Ihamufu. And that reminds me of what Ihamufu people have used to do. It has been recorded. It's not the news like I always say. IPOBDOS during that time, they sent people to Ihamufu to save them as bad as they were, or as bad as they are. I don't know if that still exists, but just take it that way. They sent people then to Ihamufu to stop Fulani people, and Ihamufu people gathered together to sabotage them. During the time of PM, they did the same. But PM is a man of few words. Nobody have intels about what happened then, but PM experienced the same sabotage from these people, Ihamufu people. Now, CS complained about it 3 days ago, right? That is what they do. They always turn against, and it's not as if they don't have people. They have men abroad in our homeland. Because when you hear Ihamufu, it's not just a small town. No, they are quite big. Fulani are there for a reason. They don't go to where they don't discover natural resources and where you need the community or the land that you needed so much. Alo Ejimako have something to say. And after this, we are going to end the video because I just want to make a quick reaction to that. Alo Ejimako said this. As you can see on your screen now, he said, Ndubisi, an only child of a widow, mother, was shot and died on February 28, 2025. This last month. While assisting his mother to harvest cassava on their farmland, his father had also been pied by Fulani herdsmen in the community. The same in Ihamufu. After paying his father, he's a student. As you can see, Sarah reporter put it here. Enugu University student pied by herdsmen. His only son of the widowed mother. Let to rest tears. You know, it's very sad when you see this is just one out of many. Why I don't spend time to talk about bang going on, because I know that one of the reasons is because we fail to do what we're supposed to do and start chasing shadow. Now, chasing shadow does not mean that people don't know what they want to. They know what they want, but they prefer to do that they want instead of to do the needful. Ogenkere and their camp decided to slow down, to stop men on ground from their, to operate. They stopped operating. They are denying it now, but they forgot that during that time they used to mock anybody that talked about what is going on in our land. They tell you, Ngozi is recruiting people, telling us to bring his army. We can't just forget that. It happened. Are you getting my point? And like I said, I don't want to go deeper on this, because if I start talking about it the way I supposed, somehow we may start revisiting what we have passed. We have talked about it before, and some of you, if you know, you know. The reason is they prefer to, struggle for power and to make sure that Ngozi must be eliminated, must be not eliminated by but to push away from the government and everything. That they are telling you to fall back because they have noticed that they cannot be in USB without COS, and they prefer to fall back where COS is not there. So when you hear fall back, it's all about COS. And mind you, those things going on is the reason why Fulani have loophole to protect the land and do what they're doing today. Look at this young man they bite, a very handsome guy, only son of the parent, father is no more there, mother is a widow. The hope is this guy, the same people that bite his father end up buying him. That this is just one out of many stories. This is Enugu today. It could be your state tomorrow. It could be your community next tomorrow. It will continue this way. It was happening in Benue State. People say, "Oh, Igbo land, no Igbo land," without knowing that you have a lot of Fulani people in Igbo people as of today. When I played these women protesting, did you hear what they said? That they forced themselves on our women, and after forcing themselves, they use stick and put in their private part to hurt them, to prove to them that they can do and don't do. Conquer people. That's what you see. Now, the issue is, what are you going to do to stop it? Nothing. That's not the fact. When I mean nothing, it is nothing. And Enugu state government have proved to you that he has nothing to do, nothing to offer. He's using the template of the governor of Eyebo State, what he used, telling that it's not Fulani. That is not Fulani that is doing it. It is his political opponent that is buying people in Enugu State. And he gathered some beggars in the same community to sing his name. That's your governor response to the pine. And you can see the multitude of people protesting, seeking for help. Seeking for help. Women. The men in them are busy doing politics. But because when you hear sabotage, they're sabotaging men that went there to do something to stop the Fulani, it is all about a handful of men trying to sell the land to please the government, knowing fully the government is not going to do anything for them in future. Look at them now; they're losing their people, and the land is very, very, very in the hands of Fulani as we speak. What are they going to do? You think military people will go there to buy them? No. For how many days now? Nobody, no arrest, nothing. Governor spend a lot of, energy and effort to facilitate the arrest of PM, right? That's what the people said, allegedly, and I don't have evidence of that. His hand is there with the help of. I remember when Nama's American wife used to tweet and attack him, celebrating him, praising him because of the plan they have to pin PM down. The same people that signed petition to put PM where he is today, what are they saying? Emeka Gift, Citizen Observer. None of them cares and bothered about it. That's why I felt so bad when I read like posts from Royce and people like him saying that they are buying you. You don't enter Biafra land. After spending time in abroad, come home, I will deal with you. People that actually cause the problem. You don't threaten them, you don't challenge them, nothing whatsoever. But anybody that actually have the same energy, same synergy that you have, like you have rather, you turn against that person. If you begin to talk about what's going on in Hamburg, we may not end this video at all. To be honest, in fact, it is best done in live stream. Maybe you can, where you can have enough time to talk about. But I decided to react on it, not because of the people asking me to talk about it. No, not because of you. Immediately I saw the post of Aloy Ejimako. That's what pushed me out. I have seen this video for a very long time. I choose not to talk about it because I know it doesn't matter how many videos you made about what's going on. It's not going to solve any problem. The problem starts from what is going on. The politics people are playing. Like why you saw China in France, busy calling people terrorists, names, attacking everybody, thinking that she's doing something nice. I asked the question, and I'm going to ask it again. If PM is happen to be here, will why is such be contacting men on ground at all and remain in the movement? Answer that question. Thank you, my people, and God bless you. See you again. Bye bye for now.